Hello students, welcome to class. I'm Miss Katie, that vegan teacher. Check out what we have in store for you today.
Drink soy milk, oat milk, rice milk, almond milk. Don't steal milk from a cow. Be vegan, start right now. Follow that vegan teacher, she will show you how. YouTube, let's check out YouTube.
We're about to have fun. But before we get into it, make sure you subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any videos in the future. Do you see the subscribe button? Look down below. You see it? Make sure you press the notification bell too. All right, perfect. All right, so over here on YouTube, I happened to come across this channel, which ended up in my algorithm, I guess, because I'm vegan. And it says here, vegan kid forced to eat steak. Isn't that interesting? So this guy, it appears that he is somebody who is trying to be like Darman by making these little videos, like, I want to say low quality or sort of cheesy, for lack of a better word. But I only watched a couple of seconds of it and I haven't seen the rest. So I thought I would watch it with you guys, give you a blind reaction, let you know what I think. And hopefully it is a vegan video. Let's check it out. Somebody in the comments said that vegan teacher would be proud. So let's see.
How do you like this, Lettuce Bugs Bunny?
Stop it, Kevin, you're just wasting food!
It's not even food, it's barely a condiment.
What is he doing? Okay, starts off already with that guy being mean. That seems like not a good thing to do, to shove food in someone's face like that.
You little vegan boy, you would have strength if
Oh, vegan phobia right off the bat. Oh, you little vegan boy. What is wrong with being vegan? Being vegan means you're kind to the animals.
you ate meat like me.
Please, Kevin, stop! I'm just controlling myself. Eating all that meat has made you aggressive and mean. You're going to get a
Yeah, could be.
heart attack!
Shut it, wuss. I better see you eating some meat today at lunch or I'm gonna punch you in the face. Got it?
Okay, why does he care what he eats? But that is a perfect example of vegan phobia.
Don't be vegan phobic, be vegan fantastic. Don't be cruel, be an animal defender. Don't be vegan phobic, be vegan fantastic. Don't be cruel, be an animal defender.
How's he gonna defend himself though? What's he gonna say? Do? Oh, he's still eating his vegan food?
Hey, Bean Sprout, checking out Amber?
Hey, what?
Oh. Okay. I guess he likes the girl, has a crush on her?
No, I wasn't.
Don't lie, I just saw you.
Yeah, so what, Kevin? What are you doing anyways? Do we have anyone else to hang out with?
Watch your tone, Grin Machine, unless you want this cabbage in your tummy. I'm just trying to help you out.
What?
If you want this cabbage in your tummy, what kind of a threat is that? Yeah, I'll take it.
Why would you do that?
I heard she eats meat and loves meat eaters, bro. I'm just trying to take care of your health.
Then you would know that being vegan is healthy. What, do you eat?
Oh my god, is this guy vegan? Samir, are you vegan? Samir, if you watch this reaction, if you watch me right now, let me know. Contact me on Instagram, that vegan teacher Miss Katie, KADIE. Contact me, I want to talk to you. Okay, I want to act in one of your videos. I want to be the vegan teacher. This is great.
Like 10 burgers a day? I'm pretty sure it's going to cause some health issues.
Shut up, typical veggie boy. I'm healthy as an ox. I brought a steak for lunch. Eat this in front of her.
He just has a steak in his pocket. Just happens to have a steak in his pocket. Not wrapped up or anything.
And she'll be impressed. Got it?
Yeah, okay. Ugh.
Ooh, why is the music so scary?
Hey, fool. Here, quick. Eat it in front of Amber. Time to impress her.
It still has blood coming out of it, Kevin. I really don't want to.
Look, bro. She's looking now. Take a
The dramatic music.
bite. She'll love you for it.
I just can't.
Yeah, don't eat a dead animal.
on, you
Don't eat an
vegetables, just-
innocent being who never did anything wrong to you. Good job. Stick up for your rights. Damn you, vegan bully.
Eat it.
No, please, Kevin, I don't want to.
Here, just eat it.
Oh, please,
Come on, Amber.
no.
Come on.
Stop.
Kevin,
Be nice,
stop
Amber.
it.
Huh? What, Amber?
Why are you forcing Simon to eat meat? Isn't he vegan?
Yeah, can you believe it? He's such a wuss.
I told you last week. I thought it was cool that he's vegan. So why give him meat today?
Oh, hi, Amber. Really? You think it's cool that I'm vegan?
Oh, yes. Amber, Amber, we love you. Amber, Amber, we love you. So what she's doing now is an example of somebody who is vegan fantastic. She's not vegan yet, but she's not cruel. She is a vegan defender, which is amazing. So that's a word I invented, you know, vegan fantastic as opposed to vegan phobic. Good job, Amber.
Yeah.
And you told Kevin all this last week?
Yeah, well, I mean, we weren't like talking about you or anything.
Strange. That's around the time Kevin kept giving me crap about being vegan.
Hey, shut up, you two. You eat meat yourself, Amber.
Yeah, well, I've been trying to get off of it. I told you this.
Wow, you have, Amber? I could help you with it.
She's trying to be vegan. Oh, yeah. She's trying to be vegan. Go, Amber, go.
Go veg yourself, go veg yourself. Stop hurting animals. Go vegan, go veg yourself, go veg yourself. Stop hurting animals. Go vegan.
Simon? I love that.
Hey, what's happening? Amber, you need to back up and get out of here. Simon's gonna start liking meat today.
You better back up, Kevin.
Or what, Amber?
Or I'll tell the principal.
Go right ahead, you bean lover.
Oh, good luck with that. I was a teacher. You tell the principal, they don't give a fuck. It's like, whatever, deal with your shit. I mean, principals themselves are vegan phobic.
And speciesism, and speciesism, and speciesism. Be kind to the animals. And vegan phobia, and vegan phobia, and vegan phobia. Be kind to the activists. Dance if you're vegan, hands up if you're vegan. Think you can't do it? Try it, you can. Yeah.
Kevin, you have gone too far.
What you gonna do about a bean sprout?
It's
What
one
the
thing that you can-
hell? Oh my god. This is what I mean. This is vegan phobia, bullying. This should be considered as much of a crime as somebody who is homophobic. She is literally just standing up for the rights of a vegan person to speak and exist.
Give me crap, but I'm not going to let you push a girl to the ground. You need to back up.
Come on, Veganator, let's see what you got.
I have a 3rd degree black belt, Kevin. I'm warning you. Stop it.
Oh
once.
my god, a 3rd degree black belt. I'm warning you, Kevin. Pow, he's gonna get him. He's like, oh god, Kevin doesn't stand a chance.
Let's see what you got.
Oh my god! What's happening to Kevin?
I don't know. Is he having a heart attack?
I think so.
He's having a heart attack? He's having a heart attack. I mean, look how big he is. His arteries must be filled with all kinds of cholesterol and plaque.
Call 911. He's going into cardiac arrest. Oh, do CPR.
Okay, well, no, he's not in cardiac arrest. He's still coughing. You don't need to do CPR if someone's coughing. You're gonna kill them if you do that.
Hello? Call! My friend of high school. I think he's having a heart attack. I don't know.
No, guys, never do chest compressions on somebody who is still conscious.
Kevin? Prince Kevin?
Okay, well, hey, the guy might be vegan who's trying to make this video, but maybe check with a nurse first. Maybe you could have called me and I would have helped you out with a little bit with the editing,
I hope Kevin will be okay.
I'm sure he will be. He looked fine in the ambulance.
That was really brave of you. You really saved his life.
I mean, you did too. And thank you for standing up for me during lunchtime.
Of course. I really do think it's cool you're vegan.
I'm surprised Kevin was telling me the opposite.
So strange. After what I told him.
Well, clearly he was lying. He learned his lesson the hard way.
Yeah, true. I don't want him to learn it the hard way though. Can you help me be vegan?
Of course,
Oh my god! Yes, 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 yes. Help her to be vegan. Yes, 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 yes. She wants help to be vegan. All right, this is it. This is it, guys.
I'd love to.
Awesome.
I'll make you burgers tomorrow using this new Beyond Meat patties I got from...
Beyond Meat. Oh my God, I have a song for that.
Think beyond meat, buy veggie burgers instead. Think of the animals. Think beyond meat, it's time to be vegan. Get it through your head.
At the market yesterday.
Really? That'd be so sweet of you.
It's crazy. It's pretty stereotypical, though. I mean, you know, vegans just don't stand around eating lettuce. You know, you could have had them eating a salad with a bunch of chickpeas and lentils and tofu and, you know, rice and broccoli and all that. Like, I don't remember ever seeing a vegan just standing around just eating lettuce like that. But hey, it could happen. I mean, I've been known to do it on my TikTok channel with spinach. So yeah, actually, maybe I digress. Maybe it's fine.
Hey guys.
Oh, wow! Kevin, it's so good to see you.
Really?
Yeah, we're so glad you made it.
I thought you guys would hate me after my behavior.
Kevin, hate is so unnecessary in the short lives of ours.
Hate is so unnecessary in the short lives of ours.
Thanks, Simon. I just want to say thank you to both of you guys for saving my life. I guess I really did need to lay off the burgers.
Oh, it's cool.
Yeah, no problem, Kev.
Hey, Kevin, do you want to have lunch with us?
So, are you two dating or what?
Yeah.
Great. So happy for you.
What's wrong, Kevin? What's the problem?
Well, that's why I started picking on you, Simon. After I found out Amber liked you for being vegan, well, I got jealous and started picking on you instead.
Aww, he had a crush on her. What a bizarre way that men react. Why do people do this if they have a crush on somebody? They just do something bizarre and it's going to be repelling.
I'm sorry, Kev. I didn't know you felt that way.
It's cool. Anyways, I can't even enjoy my beef burgers anymore. My mom and doctor got me stuck on this gross vegetarian diet.
Vegetarian, yeah. Vegetarian is not good because you're still paying for the rape, torture, and murder of innocent cows. Don't be vegetarian. Don't keep eating eggs. Be vegan instead.
It doesn't need to be gross.
Yeah, right.
Here, try this.
Steak? What are you doing with steak, Simon?
It's Beyond Meat, vegan steak.
Oh, product placement. All right, so let's advertise this Beyond Steak. Look at that, 21 grams of protein. Do they pay me to do this? No. Why do I do it? Because it's the right thing to do. Because animals are suffering and we need alternatives, and this is awesome.
There's a vegan steak?
Here, have a bite.
Hey, what? This tastes like really good steak. You sure this is vegan?
Yeah,
It is.
100% vegan.
Do I have to give this back to you?
Have it. I brought my lawnmower. I'll just have some grass today for lunch.
Oh, that's cute, making fun of themselves. I'll have some grass today for lunch.
Wow, if I knew vegan steak tasted this good, I would have been vegan a long time ago.
Exactly.
Well, it's never too late.
Don't bully people who are different, especially when you lack knowledge about them. Instead, you could learn from their differences and incorporate them into your own life.
All right, yeah, this guy's trying to do the Darman thing. He's using the same format. Why not? I guess if it works. Darman, by the way, in case you don't know, is somebody who has, I don't know, 12 million followers or something like that by now. So, yeah, I mean, it
Which
seems
may
like
help you grow like a plant. Embrace diversity and refrain from judgment. It's
It seems like he's trying to do the right thing here.
through understanding differences that we truly learn and grow. Respect others' uniqueness, for in embracing diversity lies the path to personal enlightenment.
Embrace diversity as long as there are no victims. Do not embrace diversity if those people are hurting animals. So I gotta disagree with you there. It is good to be vegan. It is bad to not be, because if you are not vegan, you're hurting animals and you're also destroying the planet. And it's also not good for you.
Kevin successfully became vegan with Simon and Amber's help. Kevin stayed friends with Simon for another 5 years, but that friendship ended when Kevin tried to make a move on Simon's girlfriend, then fiancée Amber. Simon finally decided he had to cut off ties with Kevin. But that's a whole nother story.
Okay, that was a weird sort
I
of...
truly hope
ending after the ending? Oh, who's this guy?
If you enjoyed today's video, remember to check out my daughter's new YouTube channel. It's
Okay. All right. This guy's really trying. Hey, anyway, that was it. That is what we learned today. If you guys like this, let me know. Let me know what you think. Did you think it was sort of a cute video? Let me know in the comments below.
Let's follow that vegan teacher on YouTube right now. Let's help her save every chicken, pig, and cow.